Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
On an edible landscape, where I know we've talked about this before, but you get started pretty much with, you got to map your property.
Yes. I mean, that's a key. Is first part is really assessing the property, see what is there, and see what's going on in terms of your watershed. You know, what's the water doing? You know, when it does rain, because it doesn't rain very often here, as we all know, but when it does rain, we get a lot of it, you know, all at one time often. And it sheds to different locations in the property. So we have an increase in the relative rainfall because the house is there and the hardscapes are there and all those, you know, your driveway's there. And so we want to take those things into consideration. We also want to look at your gray water, you know, water you're already paying once for, that's going to go into the sewer or go back into a recharge facility that goes back and recharges the aquifer, where you can do that on your own property and use it to water plants. You know, your tubs, sinks, laundry water. So we look at those kind of things. And then we really want to lay out the garden specifically for the microclimates, how it relates to your sun, which is the main thing that we talked about last time, in those 6 different major microclimates, to ensure that you're designed and laid out in a way that it can not only be successful, but thrive and still have that beautiful design. And so all those things integrated together really starts with that initial assessment. That's kind of the starting point. So if you go to our website at agriscaping.com, it says get started. That's what we're talking about. That's that initial assessment to really know, well, what can my property really do? What's its productive capacity relative to what I eat and what I want to eat and what I want to learn how to do.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.